Hello everyone, welcome back to my Facebook page Zahin's Activities. Today I'm here with a new video. This is my pet cat. I kept it in my grandmother's house. Do you guys know what's a cat's baby called? Kitten. My kitten's color is orange, black and white in color. Isn't it so cute? It's actually scared because there are many cows in front of it and it's just trying to get in to my shoulder. And its nails are big because we still didn't cut it. We also didn't give vaccine because it's still small. I usually don't bring her outside that much, so that's why she was actually more scared. It doesn't bite me because it already knows me and I'm its owner. If you guys love it, don't forget to comment below. Whenever I look at its eyes, I feel like I'm in heaven. I think I should give it the same love as people deserve. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on my next video.